Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another video of the Twisted Word Show with Mariana and Yash. We are back again with another video, and in this video, we are going to talk about Mariana.
Okay, so today, hello everybody. First of all, sorry, we're gonna talk about what do you do? Like, say for example, you were away for a month or 2 months, you haven't written anything. How
Yes,
do you come back and get started again?
yes. So,
So,
how do you make a comeback?
what steps?
Yes,
Yes.
after not having written for a long time. For me, it has been reading my previously written work because it will help me see where I left and also at the same time enjoy what I had written before and feel that sense of progress that yes, I have written that much and I just have to continue it. It's already there and I just have to continue that piece of work and that is actually doable.
Yes, that works for me as well. And not only reading my own work, but uh, work by other authors, or even just talking about your story to
Exactly.
somebody.
Yes,
It actually ignites something that you have to
it
start
surely
writing again.
also breaks, these kinds of breaks, maybe intended breaks or unintended breaks, it doesn't matter, these breaks actually help you in the ideation process as well. You always get one or the other idea, at least one idea, definitely more, but if nothing then at least one idea you always have it. Something, there is always a change that happens in your story after some time because you give yourself that time to your brain to think about that story more and see where the gaps are and possibly fill those gaps. And that actually happened with me. I had so many ideas for White Rose, but also it can be damaging. It has been damaging for my story of White Rose, which I was writing. Now because now there are so many new ideas, so many good new ideas that I want to add into that story. But that adding part is going to take so much effort that I am waiting for the right time to get to it because right now I wanted to write instead of edit. So that is important. So as a result, I have started a new story. So after a break, you can either read your previous work, see where you are, evaluate if you're going to be able to move forward from with that and continue it. Or if you can't, then start something new. See where it takes you.
Yes. And I think if you, again, coming back to what we discussed in a previous video, if you break it down into small goals, say, okay, I want to start again this week. Monday, I'm going to do 200 words at
Yes,
least.
starting
And
small.
once you've done that first part, it's going to become easier. But just to
Exactly.
get that first few sentences
Yes,
written out there, and then you are
yes,
on the way to finishing your story.
yes. Because after having written for months, you cannot expect yourself to write with that level of greatness that you did 3 months ago, and you can't write 1,000 or 2,000 words that you used to write after such a long time of being consistent. Because now you have broken that consistency, and you need time adapting to that change and uh, getting and accelerating again.
Yeah. And just one last thing I want to mention is that if you are stuck with your current story, maybe because you didn't write for some time, write something else. Write a short story,
Yes,
1,000 word story. Write something completely different, and
yes,
then go back and see if you can't carry on with your one.
because fundamentally it is going to get you started with the writing. You will eventually write a short story. You can finish it. You can write it. It just have to be anything. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be something very specific. Yes. So
Yes.
that. So we thought it was important to share this because I had this recent experience where I had to pause for 3 months because of my exams and because of other factors before that. So overall, it was around 3 months I hadn't been able to write as dedicatedly as I used to before. So we thought it was something important. We could share this from our experience on how we're getting back on track.
Yes.
Also, let's just share an important update. Mariana has a book, a new book out. Mariana, please tell us about it. We are short on time, but we can cover that.
Okay, I'll give you a quick summary. So
Yeah.
it's a alien story. It's a children's story about three alien friends, very unlikely friends that get together and they go on these unauthorized trips to Earth. And then obviously when they get back to their own planet, they have a lot of explaining to do. So I try to add quite a bit of humor, and it's just a light-hearted, fun story for children between the ages of, I'd say, 8 to 12 years old.
Awesome. So, and the link to Mariana's book will be in the description. You can check that out. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. I hope you liked this video.
Thank you. Bye bye.
See you, everybody.